So this morning, that's the worst part to get outside because we've got the widespread rain around. But as we go into the afternoon, it's going to become more spotty. So I do think there is that chance to maybe get out and get an early start of taking down those Christmas lights. Here's a look at temperatures right now. It is a mild start. We've got temps in the low 50s across the board, with the exception of Lorraine. You're checking in at 49. Same with Westlake, West Salem, 49 for you. We're at 50 in Willard, Mansfield, 51. Winds coming in out of the south. So our temperatures are ranging at least 10 to 15 degrees above average. And we're going to continue this trend over the next couple of days. It's really not to the end of the week where it starts to cool off. Widespread rain around through the morning. Now again, as we head into the afternoon, there will be a couple showers around, but for the most part, it's not going to be as steady. Temperatures dropping back into the mid 40s by the time we head into the late afternoon. So here's a look at what's going on. Storm Fox is raining for everybody. Starting to see some breaks out in our western communities, but we've got another batch that'll be moving in. Behind that batch, that's where it really starts to dry out. So there are pockets of moderate showers here in spots. Most of this is light, but you can see some shades of yellow in and around the Jefferson area. That's where we're getting some moderate showers. We're dry out towards Chicago. So once we get this last batch to move through, that's with the front itself, that's when it just becomes more spotty. So here's a look at your 3-day forecast on this last day of 2022. We're mild. The first day of 2023, temperatures still above average in the upper 40s. We're looking dry. Can't rule out a stray random sprinkle, but mostly cloudy, and we're back in the low 50s on Monday. Coming up, your 8-day forecast. Rosie. Oh, I wouldn't say clear skies across our area. Unfortunately, we're dealing with lots and lots of cloud cover, but the good news is by the time the fireworks go off, absolutely, we will have not a rainy condition, so that's great news. We've got the widespread rain across our area right now, and you can see it here from Ashtabula all the way to the islands. So that widespread, steady, light rain for the most part. There are some pockets of some moderate showers, but as we work our way through the remainder of the morning and head into the afternoon, that's when things really start to improve rain-wise. In fact, let's take you through your day today. So we've got that rainy start. By the afternoon, as that front moves through, more so spotty. So while you see temperatures in the lower 50s and upper 40s here this morning, we're going to drop as we go through the day today. That will likely end up in the lower 40s as we head towards the late afternoon and into the evening. And again, at that point, the showers will be spotty. Nothing like you see on radar right now. Widening out the view, you can see it's already drying out to our neighbors to the west. Chicago's dry, Indianapolis is dry at the moment. So there's the front that continues to work across our area this morning. So again, this morning, that's the rainy period. We're not going to tap into this chunk of colder air up to the north and west of us. Our winds are still going to flow in out of the south here the next couple of days. So we still have mild days ahead of us. And on top of that, rain as well. The best chance of rain, of course, that comes this morning. Everybody seeing the rain showers. As we head through the week this week, our next one that we're going to be watching will come on Tuesday. That could possibly bring some heavy rain and also a lot of wind with it. So this is this afternoon, 3:30, and as you can see, the widespread rain out of here, just a few spotty showers. We could get some breaks in the overcast as we head towards midnight, but by and large, cloudy skies. And then a weak system passes us by to the north on New Year's Day. So I can't rule out a random shower, mainly along the lake shore, the first half of the day tomorrow. For the most part, though, another mostly cloudy day with temperatures above average. Now, looking ahead, there will be a few showers around, mainly in our southern communities Monday morning, but the bigger one to note will come on Tuesday. Winds will be strong out of the south. We'll likely have some record highs Tuesday again, and then we've got the heavy rain, maybe even some rumbles of thunder pushing in late in the day on Tuesday. So that's one to watch. Our average high, 37 degrees, and as you can see, as we move through this week, temperatures remaining well above average. In fact, we spike to about 20 to 25 degrees above average as we head towards the middle of the week. That's Tuesday. Temperatures could likely hit the mid 60s. Beyond that, we're searching for some winter temps, and we'll get them finally Thursday into Friday, our temperatures back into the lower 30s and overnight low below freezing.
Well, that's good news, but if you're going to be flying, you know, it may be a little rough skies once you get up out of here, you know, because it's soggy in a lot of places right now.
It is soggy. I mean, you got to watch out if you are headed to the airport. Hydroplaning could be an issue. I mean, we've had some pockets of heavier rain as the front is starting to move through our area. But again, the worst is right now. As we go through the day, it's going to get better and better. And at the ball drop, we're dry.
You'll be all right.
Yeah, no issue. So a rainy start to the last day of 2022, and it's actually a mild start. We've got temperatures right now in the lower 50s. Once the front gets here, we're going to drop into the lower 40s. So mid to low 40s here as we go through the afternoon. And you're going to want to grab that winter jacket if you are headed out and about this evening to some of your New Year's Eve plans, or maybe you're headed out to watch the Buckeye game with friends as well. Temperatures in the upper 30s by the time we hit 11 o'clock. So at the ball drop, we'll be in the upper 30s. Looking at Stormfox right now, we still have the light widespread rain continuing to work its way to the east. We get a break before the actual front moves in. That front is still sitting just along I-75. That's going to continue to work its way into our area as we go through the day today. Now beyond that, I'm tracking a system that is now moving onshore in San Francisco. They've got a wet start as well, but that area of low pressure, that's going to bring big changes once again at the middle of this week. So we've got the cold front moving through. It's not going to do all that much other than drop us in the lower 40s, but we're still going to tap into this air from the south. So we've got still a couple of days here where our temperatures are ranging above average. And you note that system that I just showed you, that's going to start to affect us by Tuesday. So our rain chances will go up. And note that I'm saying rain chances because Tuesday is going to be the warmest day of the week. So let's track it here hour by hour. This is as we head towards the ball drop. You can see part of us starting to try to clear out. I do think though clouds will win out because we've got a system that's going to be passing by to the north of us tomorrow. I can't rule out a stray shower in our northern communities tomorrow. Otherwise, a cloudy New Year's Day plus temperatures still at least 10 degrees above average. Warm front starts to lift in Monday morning. That's going to bring the chance for a few showers around the first half of the day, but it's also going to open the floodgates for the mild temperatures once again. And we're going to get a strong wind coming in out of the south ahead of the system. So Tuesday, we have the chance of breaking records again. I'm expecting temps in the mid 60s. Plus, I'm expecting all this water to push at us. So we're looking at some heavy rain expected here late in the day on Tuesday. Our average high, 37 degrees. Well above average for the next several days. In fact, by the time we get into Tuesday, we'll have temperatures at least 25 to 30 degrees above average. So again, mid 60s expected. So where's winter? We don't want the extreme. We don't want that bitter cold, but we want temperatures to hover kind of around freezing, especially our ski resorts across our area. We need to make that snow. We've got temperatures back to average or just below that as we head towards the end of the week. Low 30s expected, overnight lows sitting in the upper 20s. And as we head into the first weekend of the new year, temperatures will be right around 40 degrees, mostly cloudy. Back to you. Some record heat yesterday. Right now we're tracking the rain showers across our area. There's also some patchy fog around where the rain has let up. But as we go through the day today, I do expect the rain chances to diminish. And then as we head into the evening, we are definitely dry. Temperatures at that point, though, will be much cooler than what we're ranging right now. We're sitting in the lower 50s. 54 in Akron, we're 50 in Ravenna, Willoughby, Port Clinton checking in at 48. Now looking at Stormfox, still showers across our area. The front itself is still backed up just to the north and west of us. It's now closing in on Toledo. So as that front drives through our area, our temperatures will start to tumble this afternoon. We do have some pockets of more moderate showers in and around Lake, northern Geauga County, extending down towards Portage County. Scattered showers in and around Canton, also towards Worcester, Beach City and Medina. We're drying out out in Norwalk, Penfield, Vermilion, but we've got another batch headed your way here over the next hour or two. Beyond that, not a big drop in temperature. Yeah, we're in the lower 50s, but temperatures are still going to remain above average here for the next couple of days. So we're not going to tap into this cold just yet. We'll be tracking another system. I'll have more on that coming up in this next half hour. But here's your hour by hour as we go through the final day of 2022. This is 1:30 in the afternoon. Temperatures mainly in the upper 40s to right around 50 degrees. Can't rule out a few showers around through the afternoon, but as you notice, as we get into the evening, we are drying out. Temperatures in the upper 30s and low 40s. So you're going to need that winter jacket if you're headed out. There is a passing disturbance to the north of us. Much of the shower activity on New Year's Day will be over the lake. I can't rule out a stray shower tomorrow. Otherwise, clouds rule the sky. Temperatures generally in the mid and upper 40s. Then a warm front will be moving in on Monday. Starting Monday morning, there will be a few showers around, mainly in our southern communities. And that warm front will be the culprit for more record warmth headed our way. Yesterday, we broke some records. 65 Akron, Canton, Cleveland, we tied our record at 63. Youngstown, 62 degrees. And I'm telling you, our temperatures staying warmer here both today and tomorrow, even on Monday. There's your possible record warmth day on Tuesday. It's going to be windy, it's going to be mild, and then a lot of rain headed our way come Tuesday night into Wednesday. Beyond that, that cold front, we drop back to how we should feel wintertime. Temps in the lower 30s. Thursday and Friday, overnight lows in the 20s. Rosie.
Fireworks this weekend. It's going to be soggy. I mean, because, you know, the ground is still going to be wet from this morning's rain.
Well, that's good news because it's not going to set off any kind of fires once the fireworks come down. But you know what? Cloud-wise, could break up a bit. I'm not talking mainly clear by any means. Still mostly cloudy, but at least we're dry. So if you have just some fireworks to set off, you're going to be standing in dry conditions, which great news. But a lot of muddy paws this morning.
Oh, yeah.
We definitely have some rain going on. So if you do have to let the pooch out this morning, you'll be wiping those paws. And unfortunately, it is that rainy start to your weekend. But as we go through the day, the chances go down by this afternoon. Really just spotty showers around at that point, and our temperatures going down as well. We're starting off the day in the lower 50s. I think we're going to get the lower 40s by the time we hit our dinner hours, and then back into the mid 30s as we head towards midnight. So it is definitely going to be colder the second half of the day. Here's a look at Storm Fox right now. Still tracking some showers across our area. The front itself is now closing in on northwestern Ohio, so that's going to continue to work its way to the east. We've got a couple quiet days beyond that. On Tuesday, this system that's forming or has moved onshore in San Francisco will be moving our way Tuesday afternoon as a cold front pushes through. Now, before that, temperatures are still going to be warmer. We're tapping into this air mass along the deep south. We've got winds coming in out of the south throughout the day today, tomorrow. So those colder temperatures are going to hold off until we hit the end of the week ahead. So your rain chances, we've got it right now. This is our worst of it this morning. Then as we head into Monday and Tuesday, Monday warm front moves in. That'll bring a few showers to our area, becoming more scattered as we head into Tuesday afternoon with that front itself. So you'll see it here on Futurecast. This is midnight 2023. Hello. We've got a mostly cloudy sky, but we are dry. There's a weak disturbance that'll pass us by just to the north tomorrow. So I can't rule out a stray shower in our northern communities the first half of the day. Otherwise, a cloudy one to kick off 2023 and temperatures still above average. Here comes the warm front on Monday. Could have a few showers with that early on. And it's going to get warmer Monday into Tuesday. Tuesday's windy and warm. This is the day that we're going to watch to potentially break some more record highs. And then we've got that rain moving in Tuesday night. Could be heavy at times. Our average high 37 degrees, well above average the next several days. By the time we hit Tuesday, our temperatures 25 to 30 degrees above average, putting us in the low and mid 60s. So mild for the next couple of days. Then once we get past that front, our temperatures drop to more of that winter feel. Lower 30s expected Thursday into Friday with a few flurries flying. Temperatures overnight below freezing in the upper 20s. Back to you.
Spotify wants to help users find the best music to ring in the new year. The streaming platform is No, because the thing is that you should do things whether it's the new year or not. If you've got something in your mind saying I'm going to do A, B, C, and D, just do it. You don't need a New Year's to start it off. I mean, some people need that, but
I always like starting off the new year fresh without like looking at social media or checking social media. I like try to put it down and just enjoy my family. In fact, I haven't really been posting anything over Christmas because it's just been so nice to just sit with the ones that you love. The lakeshore otherwise mostly cloudy and the chance for record warmth once again this week.
All right. Thanks for watching, folks. Happy New Year to you. We'll see you next year.